I'm Birdie Franco, and I'm going to try something a little different today. I have a new product, the Canary Smart Home Security for Everyone, and I got this from Verizon. So what I'm going to do that's different today is actually open this live, and I don't know how it's going to show up on video, but what I really wanted to test is how easy it is to set up. Is it really that easy? I don't know, because I like my things easy. So here we go. I guess before I open it, I want to go over what's on the outside of the package. As you can see, it's pretty lightweight. It's pretty nice, actually. I like the packaging. But some of the features is it has a video camera, air monitor, 90+ dB siren, motion detector, and motion and mobile alerts, excuse me. Air monitor, what is that about? Home health. Canary monitors air quality, temperature, and humidity to help you understand how your home might affect your health. Wow, that was different. I had to kind of really read that because that's something that I hadn't seen before in an alert system like this. So some of the tech specs really quickly. It has a 1080p HD camera, 147 degree wide angle lens, night vision, motion detection. The sensors, temperature and humidity, air quality, 3-axis accelerometer, ambient light, I can't speak today, capacitive touch, audio and siren, high quality microphone, built-in speaker, 90+ dB siren, we talked about that, and the connectivity is Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. It does a micro USB power adapter, 100 to 240 volts power supply, and for the storage privacy, instant data encryption, secure cloud video storage, AES 256-bit encryption, secure web transfer. Okay, so what's actually in the box is one Black Canary device, shown here, AC power adapter, micro USB cable, secure setup cable, and quick start guide. So only 5 things are in this box. So for the requirements, it's asking broadband internet connection. The recommended upload is 1 Mbps, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, of an available power outlet, so you do need to have an outlet close by to it. iPhone 4S or newer, or an Android 4.0 or newer. And it says you can start with 1. A single Canary is sufficient for most apartments and small homes. It is easy to start with 1 and add more as needed. So I don't know if you could see this, but it kind of has a picture of a house area, and it does show a really pretty good wide range. But what I'm going to do today is I actually have a small sitting area at home right by the entrance. So that's what I want to monitor, and that's where I'm sitting today actually. So here we go. First, let's see if I could open this. I didn't bring any scissors. Fresh tech smell. I love it. Packaging is so awesome these days. I just love these boxes. It reminds me of the drop box. I don't know if anyone's familiar with that, but get a whiff of that, man. Okay, so I'm gonna actually leave this up just so I could look at it. So, one Black Canary device. Oh wow, that is really lightweight. So, nice and sleek. Looks like one of those little speakers, has the plugs in the back. and get some, take that off. Nice. Plastic peel for the first time. And AC power adapter. Get that out the way. Micro USB cable. Quick startup guide. Oh, this is nice. You have some stickers. You know how you get stickers when you get, like, you know, those home monitoring systems, those fancy ones. This actually is like return policy and warnings and stuff. That's the boring stuff. Okay, so download the app. Okay, so I have to download the app on my phone. So this is the App Store, and I'm going to download Canary. So that is downloading, and it's telling me to find the perfect place as step 2. So like I said, it should sit on a flat surface. So we have a nice little welcome video. So we're gonna get started. It's gonna ask you for email and a password. So I'm gonna create an account. Terms and conditions. So here are the instructions now. Place Canary in a flat surface and plug it in using the micro USB power adapter. Next, allow Canary glows yellow when it's plugged in. It's glowing, pretty glow. So it's asking me how I will connect Canary to the internet with Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm going to pick Wi-Fi. Okay. While I'm getting my password in there, it says in the simple setup manual, it says through motion activated recording, Canary captures live video and audio of important events in your home and intelligently filters out footage when everything's calm. Nice. Forget the hassle. Canary senses when you come and go and automatically changes modes. You'll never need to scramble to shut off an alarm, and you'll only get notifications when you're away. Okay, so I'll continue reading that in a bit, but I've set up my password. So it's telling me Canary uses a secure cable to activate your device. Plug the yellow setup cable into the back of your Canary. Yellow cable. I'm plugging this into my phone as well. Okay, next. So they're communicating. Your phone will talk to your Canary using audio signals. First, slide your volume all the way up. It's asking to access the microphone. It's connecting. It's establishing a secure connection. It says you could learn about the 3 modes: armed, disarmed, and privacy. I like that it has a privacy, no camera. Armed means motion activated recording with mobile alerts. Disarmed, motion activated recording with mobile alerts. And privacy is camera and microphone are completely off. So it looks like we're almost done here. All done. Unplug both ends of the yellow cable now. Your Canary is now connected to the internet. So there's a device update. Step 1 of 5, downloading latest and greatest. Your Canary is updating itself and will be unavailable for a few minutes. Okay. It says not to unplug it during the update, so we'll let it do that. And I'll continue to the manual. Canary's home health technology monitors indoor environmental factors like temperature and humidity to help you understand how your home might affect your health. So it'll tell you like 72 degrees at a certain time. That's good to know. Especially if you don't have a monitoring system for your AC unit. You'll know what the temperature is in case it goes off. Share with your family. Canary works best when everyone who lives together is connected to it. Share access to your family members or roommates using the Canary app. Nice. And then there's an additional support page you can go to with a website and email. That's it. Latest and greatest, your Canary has been successfully updated. Get started. Welcome to Canary. Change modes in view and add location members. Adjust location settings or add another Canary. Set your timeline and save important events. Review your home health data and history. Okay, and watch live. I want to watch live. That's the fun part. Home health data and history. Hey. And watch live. I want to watch live. That's the fun part. Very cool. There I am. I'm going to wave. It's just a little delayed. Very cool. There I am. I'm going to wave. It's just a little delayed. That's normal. So I'm excited. This is exactly what I wanted to capture was the sitting room and the entrance. There's the Canary. That was pretty easy. It's been about 20 minutes. So there it is. Let's see. And that's it. We're done. So there you go.